Hi again everybody, just a quick video to show you a couple of items I found which may be of interest to you. One is this servo controller from a company called Heathcote Electronics. Now if I remember, I'll put a video, no I won't put a video, I'll put a link to their website in the description. This is a dual servo controller. They do singular. They do lots of things which may be of interest. Now I was testing this servo to see whether or not it's any good, and so far it's absolutely brilliant. Apologies if you're squeaking. My parrots have decided to start talking as soon as I started recording this, so you may screech every now and again or talk. So yeah, this they do singular controllers. I wanted a double because I want to use these on level crossings. Apparently they can be used on lots of things such as level crossings, turnouts, doors for example, in a diorama, in a TMD workstation or wherever. Suppose anywhere where you could use a servo like this. Apologies if you keep going out of shot. I can't get any further back to try and get everything in shot. Yeah, this is extremely easy. It literally is just plug in the servo, connect the wires up, and the information they supply with this to show you how to connect the wires is very, very easy. You can, I've connected up to these switches by the way, you can use an infrared, which they also sell. My only gripe with that is if you had an infrared and you were controlling level crossings and you're running trains, every time the train would cross the infrared, it would operate the gates. So the gate could be going up and down right through your session, which I didn't really want, which is why I've connected the simple on-off switches. Now they have, getting close, 3 buttons on the top. These two are to control which way you want the arm. When you want to set the arm on the servo, they control the motions forward or backwards. This one is the speed, so the speed at which the arm moves. Again, I won't go into demonstration unless someone wants me to. I can show you a demonstration of this, but it's so simple, it's very easy to do. Now the speeds, you can set it between 1 and 7, 1 being a very slow connection and 1 being a very fast. Now I've set up these two switches. One, you'll see the servos move, hopefully. And you see that one, that's set up at position 1. So you can see it moving very, very slow. It should stop now. You can set up wherever arc you want. It's got quite a depth of movement on this controller, and this one is set to position 7. You see a big difference. Yeah, so you've got pretty good control over your servos and what you're connecting your servos to. But if anybody wants me to give a demonstration on how easy it is to wire these up, if anybody's noticed, you'll see a light on this side flash once there. That one on that side will flash 7, which is telling me it's set, this servo is set up at position, movement wise, position 7, and this one is set up on position 1. And again, there's 7 positions in between on the speed you would like it. So that's it as far as that's concerned. The website is worth visiting because they have lots of different things that you may feel would benefit you on your layout. I intend to use this in quite a few places. It's very, very similar to this. I can just quickly show you this. Switch Pilot from ESU. Is that upside down? No, that's the right way up, isn't it? Because my viewfinder is sometimes it looks like it's upside down. When I play it back, it's not. This is the servo ESU switch pilots, and this one controls 4 servos. There are things you can do, so you can connect 2 servos up to 1, so they both operate at the same time. Now this is controlled via your command station or this row here. Use push buttons to manually control the servos. I've had these for quite some time. Ever since I started, decided to build a layout about 2 years ago, and then for health reasons I had to pack it in, and I've started again fairly recently. So I dug these out to compare them with with this one, and they're both. I mean, these are very, very good. This one, I think on eBay at the moment, I think these are averaging £35 for one of these. This, sorry about that. That I think is £14. And again, with this, you can connect 2 servos up to 1 output, so you've got 2 servos moving at the same time. It just means connecting up the wires to be able to do that. So that's that. The other thing I wanted to show you quickly is this. I pinched this off the wife. Hi again. You may have noticed a jump in the video. Someone came to my front door and I had to go and answer it. This part of the video I've had to do the following morning, which is why, if you notice my throat, because of the issues with my throat, first thing in the morning, and it's about 7 AM at the moment, my voice gets is very, very deep, as you can tell, and as the day goes on it gets better. So that's why my voice seems deeper than the first part of this video. I wanted to quickly show you this. This is an alternative to Black Tack that the majority of us use. It's extremely sticky, and it's double-sided, exactly the same way Black Tack is. Apparently, if you look at the information, you can wash it and reuse it, which you can't do with Black Tack. And I pinched this off the wife. She doesn't know yet. She hasn't seen me do this part of the video, because she'll take it off me. And I believe she paid £4 for this, and it's 3 meters. And I've just checked, Black Tack on average is about £4.50 for 1 meter, if you include postage. So this is more cost effective than Black Tack. I haven't come up with any issues yet compared to Black Tack. It acts as an insulator as well, the same way Black Tack does. It's not conduit. I have tested it just in case. You put on electric circuits and it creates a connection and it blows, but it doesn't. So I use it the same way I would normally use Black Tack. And for £4, she probably got the price wrong. For 3 meters, it's very, very good. So that's the end of this video. The next video, you see, will be on my layout. I've cut all the cork, all the shapes of the cork for the curves and so on.
You see what I mean when I show you that. And I'm just about to stick it all down, and I'll show you the other thing I'm using, similar to this, to stick the cork down and the track down, and I'll show you what I mean by that, and why I've had a go at sticking the track to the cork. But that's it. So thank you all very much, and bye for now.